Welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Thank you so much, guys, for 1K subscribers. Yo, guys, yesterday I couldn't believe it. You know, I've had this channel thing since I think 2018, guys. Since 2018, and I've been trying to get to 1K subscribers. That one thing I can tell you about YouTube: if you are not popular on social media, it's really hard to get to 1K subscribers, you know. And in order for you to start getting paid from YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, as well as 4,000 watch hours, which is hard to get. Okay, it's really hard to get to this 1K subscribers. For other people, like, it's not really hard, but for me it was hard. I don't have a huge following on social media, and I'm not popular, so it was really hard. And another thing was that I don't share my channel on social media, guys. Even on Facebook or anywhere else, I don't share my channel because, hey, I don't know, guys, I think maybe I was scared of abantu bazothini, you know, and I don't know, but I'm scared of people being judgmental, so I don't share my channel. Even on WhatsApp statuses, I really don't. You know, the people who are subscribed to this channel are people that I've sent links to, ne? Like, mhlambe, you have my number on WhatsApp, like people that are close to me, I would send them links, please subscribe. And then that's how the channel started. I had like maybe 50 subscribers or maybe 20, I can't remember, in 2018. Ever since, I've been struggling, guys. Thank you so much for 1K subscribers. Please, guys, watch all my videos, because now I'm still trying to get to 4,000 watch hours. I'm on 2,444 watch hours, so I still have a lot to go. You know, I still have a lot to do. I still have a lot of posting to do. So please just watch my videos. Just watch and binge watch my videos, guys. Please watch my videos. Just binge watch, even if it's something that, you know, this thing happened a long time ago, but please watch, you know. So how I started this channel, guys. This channel, for those who have been here for long, this channel started as a channel that was helping people how to make money online. You know, I was sharing how to make money online, how to do this and that, how to teach English online to make money, apps that you can use to make money, what, you know, most the drill. And then I saw, good, hey man, I've been watching entertainment channels and they were doing great, guys. Double OMG Entertainment, Double Seems Right, Red News Live. There's a lot, guys. So I saw, you know what, entertainment, it's like the entertainment channels are doing well and they grow like so fast. You know, it's quick because people want entertainment news. So I felt like people don't want to know how to make money online, because there are a lot of scams these days, guys. I felt like people don't want to be scammed, you know. And also, well, I've been having those comments in my comment section, would say, scam, hey, wada. So I decided to switch to entertainment, and that's how we got here. But one mistake that I've made, if you have a channel, please don't make this mistake. Okay, from my previous videos of how to make money online, I was getting views, guys. I don't want to lie, but not on all my videos. Just like in this channel, I'm not getting views on all my videos. There are videos that do great, there are videos that are lacking, you know. So the mistake that I made was to delete all my videos on how to make money online. I should have just made those videos to be private, then started posting about celebrity gossip and all of that. Because now I deleted all those videos, my views went down. The 4,000 watch hours went down to 0, you know, and I only realized this after deleting the videos. But now I have to start afresh. So thank you so much for 1K subscribers. Please watch all my videos, guys. Please watch, and also like, guys. Liking the videos really helps because YouTube will keep recommending those videos to other people. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next one. Bye.